Alright you guys, been a little bit since I updated you, but came out here last night to change all the fluids or get all the fluids out, coolant and everything, and I got a little carried away. So pretty much everything's disconnected now for the engine to come out. Just gotta pull the power steering lines off. But exhaust is disconnected, whole front end is off. That's just gonna be easier to put everything in, and I'm gonna clean everything up anyway, so worked out for me. But my dad's gonna come over and help pull the engine. So I will cut to that. Alright you guys, so as you saw, the engine's out. Next I'm going to be tightening up the engine bay. There's a few things I gotta pull out before I can start removing things like the ABS module and doing the motor mounts and stuff. I'm going to do the easy stuff to get to first, so all the AC stuff, washer reservoir, all the extra lines and stuff here that need to come off. And then we'll get to cleaning. Alright y'all, got it to the point where I'm ready to start cleaning everything off. There's some spots that are pretty bad. All these steering parts are going to be replaced, but just for the sake of cleaning them for now, I'm going to clean everything off. This is all going to get painted, so got an assortment of brushes and cleaners. I'm going to start scraping at stuff, get it as clean as I can. We'll power wash it afterwards, but to the montage. So the truck's relatively clean, as you can see. Just a bit of surface rust, but nothing structural at all. So that was nice to find out. This truck spent its first 25 years and 160,000 miles in northern Arizona, primarily as a farm truck. So everything's caked in a few millimeters of dirt, and then there's a layer of grease and oil on top of that. So huge task to get this thing cleaned up and down to bare metal, but we got it done. For those of you wondering why I'm wearing eye protection and everything during this is why. These things just shoot these little burrs out. They don't get through your pants, usually. But imagine that sticking out of your eye. Focus on it. Anyways, wear eye protection. So sorry I didn't film any of this, but here's some pictures I put on my Instagram of before and after wire wheel cleaning the frame, and then after applying a few coats of DHT roll bar and chassis paint. So here's the engine bay. Got the C10 inner fenders in. They're raised up, I think, about 5 or 6 inches higher than the stock ones, and they are much wider, as you can tell. The stock ones start to slope down right here, and they cut off a bunch of area in there, and that's the number one place I was rubbing before. Got the filler plates made. Got to get those mounted. Still gotta get the brake lines ran and everything, but as far as fabrication goes, this is everything for the engine bay. So next time you see it, everything's gonna be painted up. I'm doing steel it black on the fenders, and then I bought some color match paint, so I'm gonna be color matching these fender fillers. That's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed and want to follow along with this project, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll be completing the brake system and installing the 5.3 along with the 5-speed manual transmission, so stay tuned for more.